Okay, so right, Malam Seram. Okay, currently we are at our first stop, Kranji State Cemetery. Today we have four, altogether 4 of us. This is Azmi. This is his rig. Okay, and the usual suspect, Suhaimi, with his stands. This is Pak Adian with his newly acquired track. Okay, so this is our first stop. The next one will be Kranji Dam. Let's go. Okay, so this is our second stop at Kranji Dam. We are taking 5 here before our next point at Sungai Buloh, somewhere in Neo Tiew area. Okay. Okay, so this is our third stop, Sungai Buloh Wetland Reserve. We are at the Neo Tiew Crescent entrance. Obviously, it is closed. Okay, so our next point will be Lim Chu Kang Jetty.